really good. So again, look number 3. Let me know which way you guys like to style this one. Y'all know I'm a middle part and side part kind of girly, but I definitely would rock this 7x5 and a half up, half down, because everything is very seamless on this unit, guys. The cap construction is perfect and also glueless AF. This is a 7x5. She's 24 inches long. And look at this, y'all. She comes highlighted. So it's like, again, it's similar to the wave pattern that I have right here. But this unit obviously has a little bit of a golden brownish highlight color to it, which I absolutely love. Glueless units, very easy same day install per usual, guys. So I'm going to show you guys a couple styles with this one. I'm really excited about this because, again, Beautyforeverhair has by far the best water wave texture curly hair ever. Like, you just don't mess with this. Like, look at how gorgeous this unit is. This unit has been in ocean water, it's been in pool water, it's been through everything. So, and look at, still fresh. All right, y'all, so I was able to get these baby hairs to curl real cute or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my spritz on top of the baby hairs. So I'm gonna just tap little spritz there and tap little spritz there. I felt like I cut it properly enough because, oh, I sprayed it all over my forehead. Because look at how it did a little curlette. Look at that curlette, y'all. Very cute, soft. Look at that. On top, just to make sure that everything is rounded off and nice. Now, I like the 24 inch. You can go ahead and get like a 20 inch if you don't want it too long. But I think the 24 inch is giving exactly what it needs to give. I feel like the style is very easy. I'm gonna go straight to the point, simple, side part. We add a little razzle dazzle to it, kept it very minimal. And this is what the hair looks like. It took water very well and it dried up really nice as well too. So you guys can see it has its purposeful curls right now. So she's looking really pretty on both sides. And again, I like how the 7x5 cuts off right here, but the tracks cover this part so you don't really see anything. So I do like the aspect of that. So this is look number 1. We know, side part always eats up, baby, all the time. So let's go ahead and switch her now. I think in Wigland we think it's supposed to be that way, but it really isn't. So I'm gonna do like a middle part like that. So what I'm gonna do is use my hot comb, because that's the only way we're gonna get that indented line out, so it can make it more of a natural look. So I'm just gonna go and like press it down a little bit right here. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the wig a little bit. And again, I told you guys the baby hairs will stay. And I did the baby hairs correctly though, because the baby hairs end up landing just right there, which is perfect the way I wanted it to look. My middle part's right, so I feel like I didn't need more water to this side. So I'm just kind of let this part do what it needs to do. Probably add some on the ends right here. And obviously there's product in here, so I'm gonna just leave this alone. And we're gonna add like a clip right here just to make sure that everything stays in place. Now this side as well, because I did the middle part, I need to shift this. I'm gonna add more water over here as well too, just to kind of clean up some of the hair that I, messed around with. Alrighty, y'all, look number 2. She's cute, middle part. I did go ahead and add these little butterfly clips to this just to kind of give it like a little style. And again, cutting the baby hairs like this works perfectly, again, for a middle part and a side part. So y'all see that? Very cute, very clean. The hair is very pretty, guys. Again, all I'm using is water, and I'm using my curl enhancing smoothie, and that's it. So this is what this looks like, nice and air dried. And again, this is 24 inches long. It's a natural density. You guys can see, look how full it is and pretty, perfect color. I actually do like it in the middle part, but you guys see, I wore the darker one in the middle part, and the middle part just looks chef's kiss, y'all. Look at that. Gorgeous, simple, and straight to the point. Okay? So lastly, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull this up into like a cute little half up, half down situation. All right, guys, so this is the last little look that I came up with, a little half up, half down situation. Very, very cute. Again, not doing too much, but just doing enough. Baby hairs are in place. They look really, really good. And as you guys can see, the hair is super fluffy. It's completely air dry now, even after adding all that water in and stuff like that. It is perfectly air dried, and you guys can see the color and everything looks really good. So again, look number 3. Let me know which way you guys like to style this one. Y'all know I'm a middle part and side part kind of girly, but I definitely would rock this 7x5 and a half up, half down, because everything is very seamless on this unit, guys. The cap construction is perfect and also glueless AF. So let me know your thoughts on this unit, guys. Shout out to Beautyforeverhair for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the links down below, guys, per usual, and I will catch you guys in a later one.